Hello everyone, welcome to another SMT tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Cvex Testnet. Cvex is a decentralized platform with options and futures trading. Right, these guys have raised, according to them, they have raised up to $7 million, right? So if you need more information about these projects, you can go ahead to check them out on Twitter, right? Over there you can get more information about the project, about their testnet, or any other thing that you want to know about them. You can also join their Discord if you have questions, to ask about the project. So I'm going to be putting you through how to participate in their testnet and also some engagements that you can do that could possibly position you for future rewards. Alright, so we're going to dive right into the tutorial without any further ado. So in this tutorial, we're going to be making use of Mrs. Browser, as you can see on our screen. So let's go ahead to open Mrs. Browser. Alright guys, so next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go straight over to their testnet. So I already have the link copied, so I'll just paste it. Alright guys, so we're here, right? So we're going to select enter desktop version. Alright guys, so this is the trading interface, right? So what we want to do here is we want to perform some transactions on this platform. Alright, so let's go ahead to connect our wallet. So come over here to connect wallet. Connect. Okay, and then we're going to select MetaMask. So I'll just choose this and deselect this. Alright, so we can go over to next. Alright, connect. Alright, so we have to switch our network from Ethereum mainnet to Sepolia network. So let's switch. So we'll confirm. Okay guys, so our wallet is connected. Like I said, we just want to perform transactions on this platform. Before we can do that, we need some test tokens for our transactions. So we're going to come over here to increase balance. So we're going to sign this. And then guys, we are credited with $100,000 worth of USDC test token in our account. So now we can start trading. So you can choose from any of these assets, right? Say we want to trade Ethereum. So choose Ethereum. Coming over here, we can then start trading Ethereum on futures. So you can decide to use either limit order or market order to place your long or short position. So let's use limit, right? So here you can input the limit price that you want and input the amount of token that you want to trade, and then you can see the value of the token in stables. Alright, so once all of that are set up, you can now go ahead to place buy. Okay, so my order have been sent. Once your order is filled, you can check your position here, right? This is the position I took earlier, right? So the position I just took might not reflect yet because my order has to be filled. So if you used limit order, it could possibly take a little time before it reflects here, probably because your order has to be filled before it can reflect, right? Or you can as well just use the market order, right? Okay guys, so what you just want to basically do is you want to just keep doing these transactions, open long and short positions, and then you can come and close your positions, right? By coming over here, markets, you close your position. Okay, so our position is closed, guys. So yeah, you want to open as many positions as possible, as frequently as possible, on a daily basis, right? So just open and close, and that's like basically it, right? So I don't think you can anytime soon exhaust your collateral, right? But in case you exhaust your assets, you can increase your collateral by $100,000 USDT test token. So each time you select the increase option, your collateral increases by $100,000, and then each time you select the decrease option, right, your collateral decreases by $100,000. So let's just try it out. Increase. Okay, so you can see our asset has increased by $100,000. We can also use the decrease option. Okay, so our assets reduced by $100,000. Alright guys, so that's basically the engagement that you can do here, right? You can come over here, guys, to this icon, and then let's come over to affiliate dashboard. So here you can get your referral code and your referral link that you can share with your friends, right? You get rewarded in XP, right? It's like a point, system kind of thing, right? So the more friends that you invite, the more XP you earn. We are going to go to Galaxy. So Galaxy is where you receive points for all of this testnet engagement that you have done. So basically you just connect your wallet and then you claim your points. So let's go over to Galaxy. Okay guys, so we're in Cvex on Galaxy. So let's scroll down. Now you can see some collections of tags, right? These are collections of tags that you can complete and earn points, right? So let's select this. Yeah, straightforward, right? So just complete all of these tags and then you should have your point, right? Let's go to the other collection. So this is a testnet engagement, right? So let's tap. So here is where you receive your points for your testnet engagement, and as you can see, some of the tags are already confirmed, right? It means that I have completed them, right? Remember that I increased my balance, I longed, and I decreased my balance. So you can complete all the tasks that I did not complete so as to have your point. So lastly, we're going to go over to Guild, and basically on Guild, I'll be showing you some engagements that could help, get roles, right? So let's go over to Guild. So first off, we're going to sign in, right? And you can either choose to sign in with your wallet or your email. So I'm going to be using my wallet. Sign in, MetaMask. So next is to connect your Discord. Alright, so our Discord is successfully connected. Alright, so let's connect our X account. Alright guys, so these are all the tasks that you can do in order to get rows. Of course, do not forget to join their Discord server. You can come here to join their Discord server, and then you want to complete as many tasks as you can complete. Okay guys, so that'll be all. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section, and of course like, comment, and share this video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.